Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone is doing well. We're here. Haven't done one of these in a while. This is a little Happy Mail unboxing. This is not sponsored in any way. It's just a product that I really like. And you might notice what it is. This is Conquer Ring, which is the ring that I have on my pointer finger. It's really fun to play with. It really helps, you know, when you're like a fidgeter like me, or you just always need something to play with. This one I got a couple years ago at least, but when you spin it, I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but hold on, it's really hard to do. This one says keep going. It looks like it's just a bunch of weird scribbles and stuff, but when you spin it, which is one of the many fun features, it says keep going, which I really love. This one is a size 8. My ring finger is a size 7.5. I believe they do give you a sizing chart. I am really glad that I got the 8 initially, because obviously my pointer finger is a bit bigger than my ring finger. So yeah, this is what I got. I ordered this on Black Friday. They had a pretty good deal. I will leave my referral link down in the description box below. Like I said, this is not sponsored. Let me take the receipt out, so because that probably has my address on it. All right, let me make sure. Oh, here we go. Our rings won't change the world, but those who wear them will. Oh, look at these cute little. Oh, these are nice. So I got 6 different things, and I'm super excited. Oh, these are so nice. Oh, it's pretty. So yeah, it says our rings won't change the world, but those who wear them will. Cool. Just a little video you can watch. Watch this 2-minute quick start video for your top 3 tips on how to get the most from your interchangeable fidget jewelry. That's cool. All right. Oh, which one I should? This one feels like it has more in it. I think this might. So I ordered another ring, or another like base. I think they call them the ring base. And then the ring base came with one of the disc. I'm not sure exactly what they're called. And then I think I ordered like 5 more. Okay, this is the whole ring. Ooh, I love the color. This one is, well, I'm trying to remember what this one says. You got this. That's what it is. Here it is. Hopefully you guys can see it. There you go. You can kind of see it on screen. Here we go. But yeah, it's a really pretty color. So I wanted to try gold. Supposedly, gold is more my color than silver. Oh, and it is so shiny. It is so pretty. I love this color. Oh my gosh. That is so fun. So it's a little tighter on my ring finger, which is interesting. But I think they might have changed the sizing since the last time I've done it. Or my left hand is just not as swole as my right hand, which tracks. I'm a crocheter and I crochet with my right hand. So all right, so there's that. These cases are so soft. They're like a brushed leather type of, like on the back side of leather. So I feel like there's another thing in here. Is there another thing in here? Oh, it has multiple like pockets in here. Oh, there's a couple in here. All right, let's see what's in these ones. I didn't realize there was like multiple pockets. Hey, come here. Oh, okay. So this one is my birthstone, and I got this in gold. This is Alexandrite, which is the same as my, or it's close to my wedding ring color. So that's so pretty, and I got this one in the gold. They have silver, gold, and I believe rose gold. So that one will go with that one. I mean, I could mix metals, but that would be crazy. Next we have this one. This one says loved. Here, I can switch out. And they're really easy to switch out. You just kind of push down, and then you just put the new one in. Goes this way. There we go. Come on. There we go. So fun. So yeah, I usually don't spin them like this. I'm usually someone just clicks them. I love the purple. It looks so pretty. All right, let's see what else. Is there anyone else in this one? Okay, so the other ones must be in this pocket. Because they're all in the same pocket. Oh, here we have, this is my birthstone. So on the back it says beauty and passion. I was born in June, so my flower is a rose. And this one's pretty because it's a lot. It's got like an oval shape compared to the other ones, which are more circular, or this one's like diamond-esque shape. Oh, that is pretty. I love that. I guess I went with like a birthstone vibe because I did birthstone, my birth flower. Oh, that's so fun. Technically, June's birthstone is also pearl, but it's not a stone per se, but that is so fun. There's so much detail in that. Love that. All right, and I think there's 2 more. Oh, here's the other one. Here we have a cute little smiley face. I had to get this one in gold, of course. This one and I believe the other one are both from the same collection by Parker York Smith, who collabed with Conquering. I've been watching Parker York Smith. He does like men's fashion. And he does like short videos like, hey, this is how you should wear jeans, or not should, but like ideas for like how to wear jeans or how to dress up a polo shirt, like things like that. And like, I'm a girl, but like I still love watching his stuff, and I'm just like, oh, like that would be so cool if like I could do that, or if I, you know, wore my jeans like this, you know, kind of thing. But yeah, this one, I have seen this one, him wear this one before. So this one goes with my gold ring. Oh, hey, get back on there. There we go. So got a little smiley face. I feel like my mom, if I wear this one out, I swear my mom's gonna try to steal it or something. My mom loves smiley faces. She's the type of person who likes to like find smiley faces on things, on like inanimate objects. It's so fun. But yeah, so this one, and then our last one. Yeah, this one definitely fits a little bit more snug than this one, but I can still like pull it off easily. And then this is the last one. It says, oh, I didn't even know it had stuff on the back. It says stay curious, and it's a sunflower. My sister would call me basic for liking sunflowers, but I call her basic for liking daisies. That's just how we tease each other. I love you, Ellie. Oh, I feel like that one looks the best. Oh my gosh, I love this. Ah! No joke, this is the first time I'm seeing these like in person, and I am loving the sunflower. I wasn't really sure about like this being on there like all the time, but I love it. Oh my gosh, this one's so cute. But yeah, I love the stay curious. That's so cute. Does this one have it? No, okay. This one's so cute. Oh, it doesn't spin as well. That's a thought. Okay, so the new ones don't spin as much, which is fine. You know, I don't really spin them as much, but if you do like the spinning aspect of them, they don't spin as well. Maybe I just need to break it in a little bit. If you just want to like play with it like this, but this one also probably is less, you know, aerodynamic because it's got all these petals and stuff. But oh, look, you could even wear it like that. It says stay curious. That's so cute. Yeah, I think I just need to break it in a little bit. But yeah, so that's all the ones that I got. These little pouches are so cute. I don't think these came with my first ring, but I obviously didn't order as much. So yeah, we got this one says loved. That's my original one. This one is my birth flower, my birth stone. Cute little smiley face. This one is you got this. This one came with this ring, and then we got the sunflower. So that's all of them. I really like the keep going one. I bought that in a time when I needed to motivate myself to just keep going. So as you can see, like I've had this for a couple years, and I haven't worn it like consistently for the last couple years. And it does show like a little bit of wear and tear, but I'm also like very hard on my hands. So, but I feel like the base still looks fairly nice. I mean, obviously it's going to show somewhere, but yeah, that is that. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this little Happy Mail haul. I'll try to zoom you in so you can see all of them. But yeah, you can use my referral code down in the description box. I believe you get $5 off your first order. It might be all orders, but at least your first order. But yeah, don't forget to check that out, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!